Hey team, welcome back. I'm Kenya with BK Trading Academy. Let's hop right into AUDUSD. I have an exciting swing opportunity for you guys and want to just kind of give you a game plan and what to do right now. So I am on the monthly time frame. You'll notice that price is currently in a corrective structure. So notice we have a downtrend here on the monthly where price is giving us lower highs and lower lows. Okay, and we're getting a retest back into a previous area of structure that was recently broken. So notice we have a monthly low here, and we also have a monthly high, and price is retesting within this area. And if I kind of just move my line out to the left, you'll see that this is a reversal zone. So we're monitoring price as it moves into this area, and I believe we have an opportunity for at least about 100 to 200 pip take profit target. Now you're going to have to be patient, but let me tell you exactly what I think will happen. One of the things I want you to see here is that we had a recent low retest here. So I'm going to bring this up just a little bit. We didn't quite dip this low, but this is our pandemic low right here. So this was from March of 2020 where we had our pandemic low. We retested here in April of 2020, and then we had this imbalance. So we had an imbalance here of buyers and sellers, and now sellers have been in control of the market, retested this low back in October of 2022, and we have been correcting from it. Okay, so now looking at the bear structure of this monthly time frame, we want to ask ourselves as swing traders, where is my area of opportunity? So now that the price has corrected back up, anytime you have price break a previous structure, it usually goes back to retest it. So now this previous area of support should now become resistance, and this is the zone we want to focus on. So now that we've established that, let's go ahead and move down to the weekly time frame. Now you can see more clearly this structure on the weekly. I'm just going to go ahead and redraw everything, and I'm going to reposition my trend line a little bit. So on this weekly time frame, I'm going to connect the high, connect my swing highs. Okay, so started with my high, and now you can see that right here is where we identified on the monthly that this area was our monthly reversal point. So notice how the price is rejecting off of there. Now what I'm going to do for those of you who use our channel strategy, I'm going to go ahead and capture this price action inside of a channel. So everything we do, we want to follow rules for why we're executing the trade. So you want to make sure you're following a system that has specific confirmations on why you are entering the market. So we have price in a bearish descending channel. It is at a reversal zone. There is wick rejection within the zone. Okay, price is pulled back to a previous area of structure, and we are retesting our trend line resistance. So that is good confirmation. If we continue to drill down, let's look at our daily. So now off of this daily time frame, we can see a little bit more clearly what price is doing within that zone, right? So by the time you get this video, you should have time to execute this trade. And I'm also going to show you how you can approach it if you do miss out just a little bit. But volume is really slow right now, so you should have time to execute. Okay, so let's see how much the price has fallen from these wicks. So far, the price has fallen about 46 pips. So what I do is set an alert, and if the price comes back to retest 67.86 zone, I'd definitely be looking to enter if we continue to reject off of this trend line. You could go in right now with a really low lot size. Now, where would you want to focus on taking profit? So if this is your resistance zone, when we trade channels, we look to take profit near the middle of the channel. So I'm going to clone this horizontal. Hold on one second. Let's see if we can get the right clone here. Okay, so I'm going to clone that box, and I'm going to bring it down to the next zone. So this is the next zone where I expect for price to bounce. So notice we're in a bearish trend. Okay, we're in a bearish trend on the weekly, monthly. So we want to be shorting. If you were, for example, intraday or a scalper, then you possibly would have been buying because this downtrend on the daily had been broken right here. So this white candle broke this bearish trend on the daily and continued to push up. So we're in an uptrend on the daily. However, we're in a downtrend overall on the weekly and monthly. So we're looking for the trend continuation off of the weekly, and this is where we want our target to be, retesting that previous area of structure that was broken. So here is our support. Okay, or our resistance, I'm sorry, this is our resistance, and we expect for that previous resistance to become future support. So this is your area of opportunity. If we continue to drill down, we can go down to the 8-hour, and now you can see price wicking off that 8-hour and just about ready to fall. So you'll have to be really patient when you are swing trading. But again, you can trade these channels on different time frames. I can capture another channel within a channel, and here I am shorting from the top of the 8-hour channel. I'm going to bring this other trend line here, and I'd be looking to short the top of the channel, taking profit to about the middle of the channel, okay, right where I have that zone there. So guys, this is your area of opportunity on AUDUSD. Now, where should you drop your stop loss? I would recommend placing your stop outside of the zone. So let's say if price did retest here at around 67.85 zone, you could drop your stop a few pips above that. So if you're swing trading though, you want to give your trade enough room to breathe. So I would say at least about maybe a 60 pip stop loss should be sufficient, because even if this pair does wick, and let's say it comes back to retest the trend line area, you should have enough room to where it won't prematurely stop you out, okay? So that is my prediction on AUDUSD, short overall from resistance, and this is the target. Once you are about 30 to 40 pips in profit, you can trail your stop loss for a risk-free trade. Guys, comment below and let me know your thoughts on AUDUSD. Do you agree with this analysis? Do you have a different idea? I'd love to hear it in the comments. Let me know if you like these trade analysis videos or what you'd like to see more of. If you want to see us trade live in the market daily, where we show students how to be consistently profitable. Okay, we're getting an alert there. How to be consistently profitable. Go ahead and check information in the description of the video. We have lots of great stuff for you guys, including our public Telegram and other stuff that we know you'll love. Thank you so much for watching. We hope that you found value in this video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on that notification bell so you don't miss the next upload, and I'll see you guys in the next training.